concentration terms that are also used. Let's look at them one by one. One of them is called mole fraction. Mole fraction of solute is defined as number of moles of solute upon total number of moles of solution. So when we say total number of moles of solution, we mean that number of moles of solute, which is small m, plus number of moles of solvent, which is capital M. Similarly, mole fraction of solvent is defined as number of moles of solvent upon number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. So it is very easy to understand that if I add mole fraction of solute and mole fraction of solvent together, I'll get quantity equal to 1 because numerator and denominator will cancel out each other. The other concentration term is called percentage weight by weight or W by W. It is nothing but mass of solute upon mass of solution. Now I have written over here that both of them are in grams, but they could be both in kgs also. The only thing that you have to understand is numerator and denominator, both of them have same unit, and just multiply by 100 and you will get percentage weight by weight. What it means is, suppose you have a solution which is 5% weight in weight, it means that 5 gram of solute is present in 100 gram solution. So if you have 200 gram solution, you will have 10 gram solute in that solution. Similarly, you can define percentage V by V when normally solute and solvent are both liquids. In this type of solutions, it is preferred to describe percentage V by V rather than percentage W by W. So it is defined as volume of solute upon volume of solution. Again, in this case also I have written both numerator and denominator and in ml. They could both be in liters or any other unit, but both of them have to be similar, and just multiply that by 100. Again, what it means is, if you have a solution which is 3% V by V, it means that there is 3 ml solute present in 100 ml solution. Another quantity that is normally used is percentage W by V. It is defined as mass of solute upon volume of solution. Now in this case, just be careful that the unit that I have used is numerator, the mass of solute is in grams, and the volume of solution in denominator is in ml. If you want to use kg in numerator, then you will have to change your denominator as liter. So just remember these units, which are very important. Now again, how to interpret this unit is, let's say you have 8% W by V solution. So that means that in 100 ml solution there is 8 gram of solute present. So if you have 200 ml solution, you will have 16 gram of solute. This particular unit normally is used when you have a solid solute and a liquid solid.